We'll start by turning the air fryer on to 350 degrees so it can preheat while we prepare the burgers. Now let me show you our air fryer hamburger recipe. Like I mentioned before, we're going to use frozen burgers, but we're going to use aluminum foil. Using aluminum foil actually accomplishes a couple things. It allows the burger to stay nice and juicy and not dried out. Plus, it virtually eliminates cleanup. We'll seal up the burgers in the foil and then drop them in the basket. Now remember, when you pull the pan and the basket out, to protect your countertop because it's very hot. When it's time to take the burgers out, it's a good idea to check the temperature. Personally, I like burgers cooked above 160 degrees just to be safe. Let's go ahead now and assemble our air fryer Big Mac, and let me have a shot at the old McDonald's jingle. We're gonna use 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. Ooh. Let me know in the comment section if you remember that old McDonald's commercial. Notice how the burgers are nice and juicy on the inside. And by the way, folks, if you decide to make just regular burgers and not a Big Mac, you can sprinkle on some dehydrated onions before you close the foil. Now remember that using aluminum foil is going to extend the cooking time a little bit because the heat has a little bit of difficulty getting to the burger. But our burgers were cooked in a preheated air fryer for exactly 20 minutes.